Hey guys, Silver Slayer 32 here, and today, it's the same day, but we are out looking for what was it called again?
Waterfalls.
We are out here looking for Eagle Waterfalls. We don't know where they are yet, but so far we have been hiking up this mountain for like a decent 2 minutes. And earlier on the trail I actually fell because there are so many freaking rocks. But hey, it's Mother Nature. Anyway, my grandma was afraid of bears, so she decided to stay back at the car.
Hurry up!
I got my mother with me, my father, and my sister, but my sister's kind of scared. And my grandpa is back with my grandma. Anyway, there's my dad.
Wait to his YouTube.
Hey, don't you have that stick to fight a bear?
I don't know.
Then what do you have a stick?
Do both ways lead to the falls, then?
I hope so.
Probably. And there's my sister.
Yeah, there's the bridge.
Really? Where? Where's the bridge? Where's the bridge at?
There's her.
Oh. Do you see it? What is it?
I know, but does this way lead
Oh.
to the falls?
Yeah, because it's curling around. We're going to come out on top. Come on, Legendary.
Bridge.
You got this.
If I zoom out,
I can do it. You can do it.
bridge. Right there. Come on! Continue to come up here. Also, yeah, I chose to wear flip-flops, not tennis shoes. Horrible decision.
Come on, Liv.
Anyway, I'll get back to you guys once we get farther up the trail. You guys finally made it. That is amazing.
Think about you guys. I was waiting on this.
Yeah, good point.
I am a parent.
That's true. Parents always have to stick with their kids. Come on, let's go.
Come on, step up.
You want to cross country?
Go ahead and go around us. I'll stay with her.
Yeah.
Go up.
Come on.
This is actually what I always thought cross country.
Baby, this is good for you. Come on. No, it's not.
This is actually what I always thought cross country would be like, running through the wilderness. Anyway, I'll cut you guys back when we get farther up. What the deep pit! That was really a deep pit. Wow. So, Mom, how do you feel about hiking up this trail?
Ooh, that's a workout.
It really is.
Smile.
My,
Smile.
my sister is very exhausted, with my dad coming up behind her, because she obviously doesn't. She never wanted to come up the mountain anyway, but
You could stay with Grandma, Liv.
that's true. You could have stayed with Grandma. My grandma stayed at the car because she hates bears, and my grandpa stayed with her, just in case.
My mom